Hi guys, what's up? So recently, Bitcoin sold for over $11,000 US. Is this another precursor to a price jump to 20,000 like it did a few years ago? So welcome back guys, I'm Jamie. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And if you're gonna subscribe, turn on your post notifications so every time I drop a new video, you won't miss it. Now, if Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is something that you want to know about, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, if you like, you can connect with me on social media. I'm on Instagram at JA_Radcliffe and Twitter at JA_Radcliffe2030. Earlier this year, Bitcoin production was halved. This is known as the halving. So what happens is that before the halving, let's say you could produce 10 Bitcoins per day, now you can only do 5, as it is getting more and more difficult to mine more Bitcoins. Now, even though Bitcoin is a computer generated thing, what's going to happen is after a while, there's going to be no more Bitcoins to mine. So whatever is in circulation, that will be the amount of Bitcoin forever after that. So the creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, made Bitcoin a resource that will expire. So once all the new coins are mined, there will be no more coins that can be mined after that. So in essence, Bitcoin after a while will just dry up like any other resource in the world. When you talk about Bitcoin, what we're really talking about is cryptocurrency. It's just that Bitcoin is the most popular one. There are a lot of them out there, and a lot of them satisfy different means or were created to do different things. Now, we all know Venezuela has been going through its own fair share of hardships, and what the government did was to actually create its own cryptocurrency called the Petro. They did this in an effort to try and fight hyperinflation and kind of ease off some of the pressure that the US is putting on them. A quick search of Google showed that there is over 5,000 different cryptocurrencies in the world right now, and they're called altcoins. But today, we're going to be more focusing on Bitcoin, which is the more popular coin right now. Now, if you want to purchase Bitcoin right now, you can basically do it like any stock. You only really and truly need to find the right exchange to make your purchase. What I mean by purchasing just like any stock is because the price of Bitcoin actually goes up or down depending on how the market is reacting to it at any time, just like you would a stock. A Bitcoin is broken down into what we call a Satoshi. So the Satoshi is the smallest unit of measurement for a Bitcoin. See, just like how we have the cents, which is the smallest measure for our Jamaican dollar, a Satoshi is basically a cent for a Bitcoin. If you plan to buy Bitcoin and you're not able to find that $11,000 to buy one coin, what you can do is to buy Satoshis until you actually make your way up to one Bitcoin over time. And most, if not all, cryptocurrency allows you to buy pieces of the overall coin until you make up one coin, depending on the price of it. Now, after you buy the Bitcoin, you're going to need somewhere to put it. Now, you can store it on the exchange just like you would a bank, or you can get your very own Bitcoin wallet to store your coins. Personally, I think it's best to have your own wallet on your own device to keep your Bitcoin. And why I believe this? Bitcoin is prone to hacks. In 2016, Bitfinex, a cryptocurrency exchange, was hacked. At that time, they stole like 69 million worth of Bitcoin. Now, the price in 2016 for Bitcoin is not like it is now, where Bitcoin selling for 10,000 to 11,000 US. At that time, it was between $400 and $700 US. So just imagine how many coins you have to steal 69 million worth of Bitcoins. So you see, even now, if them still have some of that $69 million worth of Bitcoin, you can just imagine right now, them just are rolling at the money. And even, you see, if them did try to sell it a couple years ago, when the price peaked at like almost 20,000, you can just imagine how much money that they make. Now, after them steal this Bitcoin in 2016, what most of the exchanges were trying to do was to ask people to limit their buying. Now, to be honest, if me have a security, or anything at all, the first thing in my mind, is try to make it more valuable. You get me? So, if it is that me see it go up, the price going up, me I go sell. So me believe. Because I am not going to take a loss. I am not going to take less money when there is more money to be had. No, yes, that hack happened in 2016. But you see, even right now, into the 2020, hackers still trying every way to get more and more Bitcoin. Recently, they hacked some Twitter accounts for some famous people saying that they wanted some Bitcoins and persons were supposed to transfer Bitcoins to them. So accounts like Elon Musk, Barack Obama out there requesting Bitcoin. Now, to be honest, I know a lot of persons wanted to send to them. What some exchanges did was to actually try and block the wallet that was receiving the money. So enough of the money never get to go. But we still know some money went. So they did get some Bitcoins from this hack. Personally, I have been scammed in Bitcoin already. What happened was, I knew someone that said they were a part of a particular Bitcoin website, and if I invested with them, what's going to happen is I would get regular payments of Bitcoin over time. They would also give you like incentives depending on how the Bitcoin price went and all of that. To be honest, it seemed like it was even going on for a while. You know what I'm saying? So it didn't look like something that was just conceptualized last week. It seemed like something that these people have been doing over time. So at the time, it seemed kind of legit to me. He told me that he was getting his regular payout and he learned about it from his aunt that is a lawyer in the States and all of these things. So right there, so now I'm not going to lie to you. Him sell me. Your auntie a liar in the States and she put your aunt to this and you are make a money and she a make a whole heap of money out of it. Sign me up. So at the time, he was saying that him just get like a big payout, 400 US, and him also get him regular payout then now. So right there, so now, me happy as a lark. Because me I say now, me know somebody with in this already and them I get them regular money. So all me need to do now, sign up, put my money in there and start with the money just start rolling. So alright. This I say me I go sign up for the account and so on. And the next thing me need to do now was to just send my Bitcoin over to the account so the investment can start generating some profit. But before me can send it over, me need to buy it, right? Sign up for your exchange at the time, and now the exchange has its own internal processes where it goes through to try and verify your account before you can buy Bitcoin and so on. The exchange that I used had a 2-day waiting period before you could buy Bitcoin, but you can actually waive the waiting period if you submit additional information. But me, want to get my account up and running as quickly as possible. So guess what me do? Submit the additional information. Now me sign up for the exchange on the Friday, submit information, and by Saturday, my account verified. Now, if me never submit the additional information, it would have taken me up until Monday to get my account. So now my account verified, I can buy my Bitcoin, everything. Me make a 50 grand purchase off of my credit card. Come and say, oh, me can't take this a hit, because if it is that this is a legitimate thing, he's getting paid. If me get 400 US, then we can pay back my 50 grand on me bar off of my credit card. Done. Look like simple maths, right? Same thing with the thing too at the time. So Saturday night, verify my account, fund my account, transferring the money and everything. And I just see the lie down and I say, yeah, money time, you know. Wake up Sunday morning. I think we wake up after 9 the Sunday. And first thing me do, pull up my phone and say, alright, come. I'm so I go on for this thing here, how the money going and all of that. Cause then when I show you how you accumulate the money, you know, it's just like you have a payment threshold. So it's like they're not going to pay you under $100. But it will show you how you accumulate your money go up to $100. So I look at it, see how much money we make so far. Can I just go in still, but still want to know how the money go. Website now work. Like, so this website just stop work so all of a sudden. So I say, alright, cool. I give it some time. Because we all know websites go down, You see me? A computer, them will go down at some point. So I give it some time. Down in the evening, websites still not coming. I'm going to get nothing from these people to say, oh, they might try to fix the website or anything like that. Now, everything just dropped, bluff. So me no know nothing. So after this now, me start think about it and I say, oh, whenever scam them people, really scam me. So now me start go through now and me start search them name and try to find some article and them thing there. Lo and behold, and now Google decides, oh, them are going to show you all of the article, but everybody feels this website is a scam when it locked down. You understand me? No, to be honest, I'm not even get upset at the time. Never get upset. But pretty much just blame myself. Come and say, oh. But a little bit too happy in the whole thing. Understand? So me should I do my due diligence in order to make sure say yo, I find them article before me go put my money in there. Because you see once somebody cast doubt on this thing, I mean now go put my money in it just so. Now this was my first time investing in Bitcoin, and instead of having the whole thing go through the process where it used to, me did I speed it along to say yo, I want to make money. No people. If me did just wait until Monday when the exchange I got approve my account, you know, me would have still have my 50 grand because the site would have still gone down the Sunday. I'm sure I know me want to invest in it. I mean, no one of me want them catch. So it was right at this point that me learned two things when me I invest. One, I'm not going to invest without my research. Me need to know everything about whatever it is me I invest in. Two, and this is for me personally, you know, this is not even no big thing when I learn, it's just something when I feel personally. I am not going to invest in anything at all that I feel rushed into doing. I must always just go easy with the process. I'm not supposed to feel like, I need to complete this. No, just go with the flow, people. Now, Mark is still in a people. I trusted the person that gave me information about this Bitcoin investment, you know. You understand? I believe in I'm word. So that's why me just makes a boom, take up my money and go in it. And you know, to date, I've never said anything about it to him and he has never said anything to me. Because I said, I blame myself for all of that money what me did lose at the time. So what this goes to show you people, you see scamming, it come in enough different format. You see me? So you always have to ensure so you're vigilant at all times to make sure so people can't just scam you and take your money like that. And if something sound weird, and in your head it just can't make sense, but they might try and make it make sense to you, leave it alone. There is a reason why your mind just cannot process it. It just sounds too good to be true. You can also try and find somebody random. Just say it to them. And if them can't process it, you know, people, it don't make sense. Because you see, once something not easy, something might be behind it. I was talking to a friend the other day, and he was saying that someone came to him and they were thinking about taking out a loan because they had a friend that invested in Bitcoin, and in order to get back his money, he needed to pay some money to get out fee money out of the Bitcoin. Now, at things like these, you need to watch people. See, this textbook lottery scamming. You don't need to pay no money if you get back no money. If you buy stocks, any broker where you use, you see, before them pay you, they might take out for their money. Them now going to tell you, say, listen, you need to come pay your fee before me transfer your money to you. No. If a $10 you sell and supposed to get, broker fee $1, they must say, listen, we charge you $1 to do this trade on your behalf, see you $9 here. Them now tell you if you come with $1 and then you get back $10. No, and that's so things work, people. Textbook lottery scamming that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Turn on your post notification. And you can also share the video with friends and family. You never know what someone else might learn. And remember, I am not a financial advisor, people. So, before you make any decisions regarding your money, please talk to your financial advisor first. I don't want you guys going out there now making some quick decisions to just throw your money, you know, like what I did. Alright? So until next week, people. Bye-bye.